A very interesting moment has just happened in the Ukrainian war, which indicates the possible developments in the future. Namely, Ukraine attacked for the first time a facility located in the zone of occupied Crimea. A top official in Russian-occupied Crimea has reported an attack on 3 Russian-controlled oil rigs in the Black Sea by Ukraine. Ukrainian officials have confirmed this attacks, and they added that new attack was carried out on occupied Snake Island. Russia is promising retaliation for an early morning attack by Ukraine on Russian-occupied gas drilling rigs in the northwestern Black Sea and says that they will strengthen defenses on the Crimean Peninsula as a result. Ukraine purchased these natural gas offshore drilling platforms in 2011 to 2012, and the rigs were seized by Russia when it annexed Crimea in 2014. In response, Russians have already launched missile attacks on Odessa. Russian media reported that the attack on the gas drilling platform was carried out by long-range fires. The attack on the drilling platforms of Chernomornov-Tegez was most likely caused by rockets made in the UK or the USA, State Duma Deputy Viktor Vodolatsky said. The M30-M31 guided rockets fired by HIMARS launchers that the US is supplying to Ukraine have a range of about 43 miles, and it isn't even clear if they are in the country yet or not. As of now, there are no reports that they are. Harpoon anti-ship missiles, supplied by NATO, could also have been used against the platforms. In fact, there have already been other claims of strikes on Russian ships with those missiles in the region. Ukraine has Neptune anti-ship missile capability as well, but the number of them in inventory prior to the conflict was thought to have been tiny. At least 2 were used in the sinking of Russia's Black Sea flagship Moskva not far from where these platforms were located. Using manned aircraft would have been far riskier, but Ukraine has pulled off a successful aerial raid farther west on Snake Island before. Russia's localized air defenses in this area have been significantly enhanced since then though. A TB2 drone strike is also possible, but it's hard to imagine their small munitions would have done massive damage to the platforms unless a major weakness was targeted. Regardless of how the flow of gas from these Black Sea rigs is ultimately affected, Ukraine sent a message by attacking them.
The Coast Guard should be on their way.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.